Let's make beef lok lak Khmer beef salad. Recipes located in the description. Lok lak. We got my leaf lettuce here. Take a piece of the beef. Got tomato, cucumber, red onion, and yellow onion. Wrap it up. Dip in my sauce. Layers and layers of flavor, jam-packed with the crunch. That sauce. Such a healthy meal. So well balanced. I drink this sauce. Woo! Man, that was good. It was so well balanced. You got your protein, you got your veggies in. Healthy, balanced meal. You want this recipe? It's in the description, okay? This sauce, I have a recipe for as well in the description. Alright guys, have a good weekend.